Hi children, today we are going to discuss a JEE advanced question, 2017 question. The type of the question is one or more than one options correct. Question from limits and derivatives. It's a very important type question. You can expect again in the next exams this type of questions. The question is that f of x equal to 1 minus x into 1 plus modulus 1 minus x divided by modulus 1 minus x into cos 1 by 1 minus x for x not equal to 1. Then four options. Limit x tends to 1 minus f of x does not exist. That is option A. Option B, limit x tends to 1 plus f of x does not exist. Option C, limit x tends to 1 plus f of x equal to 0. Option D, limit x tends to 1 minus f of x equal to 0. These are the options given. Okay, we can verify each options. First, we will discuss the concept of RHL. Concept of RHL. That means limit x tends to 1 plus f of x. We have the result. This is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of 1 plus h. So you replace x by 1 plus h in the given function. That is limit h tends to 0 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus h into in brackets 1 plus modulus 1 minus 1 plus h close the brackets divided by modulus 1 minus 1 plus h cos 1 by 1 minus 1 plus h cos 1 by 1 minus 1 plus h. That is limit h tends to 0 1 minus 1 plus h. After subtracting we will get this is also 1 plus h divided by h cos 1 by h. Cos minus theta is cos theta. So cos 1 by h. This is equal to limit h tends to 0 1 minus 1 plus h whole square. That is minus h square minus 2h. 1 cancelled by h cos 1 by h. By h cos 1 by h. That is limit h tends to 0 minus h minus 2 cos 1 by h. What is the limit of limit h tends to 0 minus h minus 2 into cos 1 by h? Here this is equal to limit h tends to 0 minus h minus 2 into limit h tends to 0 cos 1 by h. Cos 1 by what is limit h tends to 0 cos 1 by h? That is doesn't exist because cos function as x tends to 0 cos x cos 1 by x, it is an oscillating function, oscillates in between. From trigonometry you have minus 1 and plus 1. As x increases or decreases from 0, there will be infinite number of times negative 1 plus 1 repeats. So limit h tends to 0 cos 1 by h doesn't exist. Therefore the limit of the whole function doesn't exist. That is option B, correct answer. Option B is correct answer. Correct answer, limit x tends to 1 plus f of x does not exist. Right? This is a very important function. Limit h tends to 0 cos 1 by h doesn't exist because it is an oscillating function. Oscillates in between minus 1 and plus 1. That is the reason. That is the main reason. Okay. Then concept of LHL. Concept of LHL. Limit x tends to 1 minus f of x. We know that limit x tends to 1 minus f of x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of 1 minus h. This is the concept of LHL. So you replace every x in the function x by 1 minus h. That is limit h tends to 0 1 minus h into modulus 1 plus mod in bracket modulus 1 minus 1 plus h divided by modulus 1 minus 1 plus h cos 1 by 1 minus 1 minus h, not plus h, minus h, minus h. Every x replace with 1 minus h. Okay, that is equal to limit h tends to 0. When simplifying, we will get 1 minus h into 1 plus h divided by, here 1 is cancelled, that is h cos 1 by h. So this is equal to limit h tends to 0, limit h tends to 0. When simplifying, we will get 1 will be cancelled, that is minus of minus plus h square by h cos 1 by h, h square by h cos 1 by h. What is it? Limit h tends to 0, h into cos 1 by h, h into cos 1 by h. Cos 1 by h is a finite value, finite quantity as x tends to 0. H into cos 1 by h. H into what is h into cos 1 by h? 0 into a constant, that is equal to 0. That is equal to 0. So limit x tends to 1 minus limit x tends to, option D, look here, limit x tends to 1 minus f of x is equal to 0. So option B is correct, option D is correct. This is a very important type question. Again, you can expect this type of questions in the coming examinations. Okay, thank you. Thank you.